What is up, guys? I am Tort, finally back with another video. It has been quite a long time. I said I was gonna come back to YouTube strong, and I just got super into streaming. I did come back to YouTube, just not with this channel. I have been grinding, streaming my Twitch, and I actually made like a gaming YouTube channel kind of, which I mean, I'm not really promoting that much, and I'm just doing my own thing, so it's not taking off at all. But that's what I'm doing. I have been doing YouTube, just not the shoe side of it. This lens, this is a Sigma 17 by 55, I think it is, 17 by 50. And I returned my 80D body. This lens is super loud. You can hear it zooming in and out. It's very, very good for pictures. And I bought this lens, and now I've been talking to a couple people, and I really want to get into photography, like heavy, like really hardcore. So I'm thinking about the Sony A7R RS or R3. It's like $2,500 for the body, and I'm gonna have to revamp my whole lenses and everything because all I have is Canon. All my lenses are Canon based. This lens won't be able to fit any Sony, so I'm gonna have to sell basically everything. I returned the 80D to Costco. I'm recording right now on the T5i, which I always did record on, but this lens is super noisy. I can hear it like zooming in and out and autofocusing. So anyway, I have two pickups. This is basically a shoe unboxing. Two pickups I got from one from Nike, one from Adidas. I'm gonna have full reviews within this week. I have off work all week, so I'm gonna try and pop out some videos. This one's from Adidas. I'm actually gonna get to that second because that shoe's awesome, and I have 5 other pairs of that shoe. This I got at the Nike outlet by my house. If you guys can see, they are the Benassi slips, size 10, which actually these shoes are too big for me, so I won't be keeping them. I'm actually gonna sell them to a friend, or I'm gonna return them. I paid 30 bucks for these. These are a $65 shoe, and they go for a little more on eBay, but to me it's not worth really reselling. Hopefully I can still do it on foot for you guys, even though it's a little too big for me. I'm still gonna do it on foot and then maybe just return them. But look at these things. This is the Benassi slip. I really thought in store, the one employee was wearing these, and I really liked them on foot. And they're really lightweight. They were 30 bucks, and I love the colorway on them. The pink, bright Nike logo on the like toe box where the laces should be, and then the lime green heel with the Nike insole there. I just really thought it was a clean looking shoe all around, and I had to pick them up. They didn't have a size 9.5. They only had size 10, so I'm like, I'm just gonna buy these, see what happens. And when I came home, they just didn't feel right, so I'm gonna try and do it on foot for you guys, then return them, or either sell them to my boy, who won't really care if I do like a little try on test. So that is the first shoe. They're pretty dope. The Benassi slips in the lime green and pink colorway. Look at this, dude. These are pretty sweet. I don't know, like for $30, slip them right on, and they look pretty gnarly with a tight pair of like Adidas sweats or like tech fleece. They just look really nice. So Benassi slips, that's the first pickup. Hopefully I will have them on foot for you guys. They're sick. Next shoe, which I actually just got from Adidas today. Like I said, guys, on Twitter I follow Adidas Alert, and this lens is pissing me off. They post a bunch of stuff on there all the time, sales, where you can use like a promo code and it just discounts it even more from what it already is. Like it's already on clearance, then you discount it more. You guys know how much I love Nikes, and I love maroon and burgundy. That's why I made my Kyrie 1 IDs, the like maroon and gold. If anyone remembers that shoe. This Nike, which I've wanted for a long time, was on sale. Oh, these are crazy. These look a little different than my other ones. Was on sale for $39, okay? $39. These are $130 shoes. 39 bucks for a colorway that I've always wanted. And this is a little bit different. This is cool. So the toe box and the little material around it looks kind of like quilted. I don't know if it's gonna pick that up. You guys can see it looks like it's like a quilt, like a blanket, all around the shoe, except for obviously this, the suede, but in between these stripes here, and by the heel, it looks like a quilt, which is pretty dope. I like that. And you have the black outsole, which the navy blue Nikes I have like a gum outsole. So this is a little bit different, but great colorway, man. Burgundy goes great with fall. You can wear nice jeans, or like I said, Adidas sweats with those. You can wear that with this and they'll pop. I love burgundy. I think it's a great fall colorway, and it's just really clean, man. Really like this shoe. And Nikes, guys, I've said it from a year ago or more when the first one came out. I said this is gonna be one of my favorite shoes. I have 5 pairs of these things, maybe 6. I trashed the one pair, and then I wore the one pair to the beach a bunch of times last summer, so that one's kind of beat. But I have 3 pairs I really like and that are clean, that are sitting in my boxes. This will be another pair. This will be another pair that I don't beat up because I love it so much. The burgundy and Nikes, or maroon, I don't know what colorway they put on the box, but either way, super clean. Gonna put some shoe trees in here as soon as possible after I do my own foot. And these things are clean, man. Love them. So that is basically it, guys. Those are my 2 latest pickups. I picked these up this week. I have a couple other things coming in, hopefully. I actually have a bunch of Fortnite stuff coming in. Let me show you guys this. This is on my gaming channel. Tort Plays. I don't know if you guys don't have to go over there and check it out if you don't want to. But I stream a ton of Fortnite. I actually hit 155 followers a couple days ago. I gave away 1,000 V-Bucks. I do a bunch of giveaways on my Twitch and on that channel. But this, I saw this released and it was kind of selling out a little bit. I know Scoop put it on his Instagram story. But this thing, I really think this is going to go up in value. Not anytime soon. I think it's going to take years. But this is a good investment. I'm actually never going to open this. So it's still sealed. Hasbro Gaming, Fortnite Monopoly. I really think this is going to go up. I have a bunch of other stuff I collect, like Pokemon stuff, that I have resold for a ton of money. This is just something I feel that's going to go up in value. So if any of you guys see this, 20 bucks, buy it, don't open it, and just put it away. I'm just going to use it for decoration in my room. Just put it up, but never open it. So just a little sneak peek. I'm also getting a bunch of Funko Pops Fortnite. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of videos on my other channel. So just a little sneak peek. Thank you guys for watching. @Tort 6 O's. Instagram, Twitter. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned to the channel. I know it's been taking a little bit for videos, but they're coming. 100% they're coming back. Danny Moore. I want to shout out my boy Danny Moore. He is grinding. Danny Moore, Heat for the Feet. Grinding his YouTube, and he's gaining 10 to 15 subs a day. Dude, I envy you. I remember you were really didn't have that many subs, and you just keep growing every day, man. I love watching you, and honestly, I'm now inspired to come back and make daily videos because of you, man. So shout out to Danny Moore, Heat for the Feet. I'll put his link down below. Thank you guys for watching. Too much talking. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.